You can find just about everything you might need to make a modern-day construction site function here at the show, including my friend here, a rhinoceros. Welcome to INTERMAT 2015. Coming up in today's show, Terex Washing Systems unveiled their latest Agrisand system. We hear about the importance of research and development to Chinese firm Lugong. French firm Loxam spell out their future plans, and Bobcat make a big announcement. But first, we hear from a German engine manufacturer making a noise at INTERMAT. These are exciting times for engine manufacturer MTU. Recently acquired by Rolls-Royce, they're looking at cementing their market share in the construction industry.
First, we feel honored to be acquired by such an important and well-reputed company. The specific requirements of the construction industry we are fulfilling with these engines means on the one side compactness of the engine as well as the whole system, means in Tier 4 Final we don't need the DPF, and the whole system and package is definitely fitting to the limited space in the construction vehicles.
MTU are also conscious of their environmental obligations.
First, it's MTU's challenge and proposition to fulfill all emission regulations worldwide. We are definitely there first to market, or very innovative, which is in our vision, which is in our product. Therefore, we definitely fulfill Tier 4 Final, we fulfill Tier 3, and we are working on and having the solutions already for Stage 5.
We have some breaking news for you. It has just been announced that Volvo Group's CEO, Olof Persson, has been removed from his position following shareholder pressure. He's to be replaced by Scania's head, Martin Lundstedt. Building on their formidable reputation, Terex Washing Systems are showcasing their Agrisand 206 at this year's show.
Terex Washing Systems has really grown from the long history of power screen and thinly washing within the Terex group. To really push the developing washing markets, we needed more focus, and we're a company now only focused on washing for mine materials and construction materials. We have the Agrisand system, which is a fully integrated screening and washing unit. We have recently launched the 206. It's a larger screen, it's a 20x6 unit and a higher sand production capacity. We've already displayed that in the US recently at our World Dealer Conference in partnership with PowerScreen, and next week we'll be launching it officially within the UK with the first operational system on a Lafarge Tarmac site. In that application, it's combined with our Agri Scrub, which is a very high attrition but compact log washer system. And both together offer high capacity in a very compact, modular and integrated format.
To bring a product to market requires a significant investment in research and development. One company committed to making that investment is Lugong.
In Europe, we're still relatively new. We've been in Europe 7 or 8 years now, so it's important for us to have our face out there every time and kind of show people that we are growing, and every time we come back to this show, the products are more advanced. We've got a new series of wheel loader here today, our H series. So showing the progression is critical for us. We're a full line manufacturer, so we've got 14 different product lines. So it takes quite a lot of coordination to get the different aspects of research and development to come together. One of our biggest challenges is teaching engineers how to think, how to problem solve, and how to advance themselves. Many of the markets are very advanced emissions, but many are not. So we need simple machines that can go into markets where the fuel is not so clean, and we need some pretty high-tech products that can go into the advanced markets. And that takes a different kind of R&D to do that.
Everything about INTERMAT is big. I'm in Hall 7, and this little beauty is completely portable. It's a dry batch mixing plant and can be customized on site to customers' specific needs. Yesterday we heard about their virtual reality glasses, but that's not all Case have brought to INTERMAT 2015.
We have a lot of very important product launches. The two main stars of the stand are the introduction of the new C-Series grader in our lineup. It's a new product in our lineup. With the grader we have an excellence heritage, because we were producing it as O&K in the past, then with New Holland, and now with Case. And then we are introducing the D series of crawler excavator, only on some model. It's a gradual introduction that are they have a new engine, Tier 4 final, without DPF, so this is a great help because it reduces the intervention on service, and with performance improved compared to the old series.
INTERMAT attracts exhibitors from all around the world. Demo come from South Korea and have launched this new product here.
It is a shear for the steel cutting, for example, I-beam and H-beam, something like that.
Loxam is a well-established name in the European market, but now they're looking further afield.
We are the leading company in rental of equipment in Europe, generating about 80% of our business inside of France, and the rest is generated in our other 12 countries. And last week we have made a first step out of Europe in South America, and we have taken a minority stake in a Brazilian company called De Graus. We have always developed the group both through organic growth but also through acquisitions. First step will be to reinforce our operations in Europe, but of course, like we did in Brazil, we are always looking at possible opportunities elsewhere.
We often hear of car manufacturers celebrating their 1 millionth vehicle falling off the production line, but it's a very rare occurrence in the world of construction.
This is the first time a company in the world are producing such quantity, 1 million from one dedicated model, which is a skid steer loader. On 2 skid steers sold in the world, one is Bobcat. And sometime in some area like in Middle East, it's even higher, where we are getting a very, very high market share. In some countries, we are completely dominating the market. This is the year of the 1 million of Bobcat during INTERMAT.
These are exciting times for Bell. Reaction to their new E-Range 50-ton ADT has been overwhelmingly positive at this year's show.
It's a pre-production machine. We'll be going into production next year, middle of next year with it. It's got the latest emission technology on board, and really follows through from our smaller E-Series launch, which we did about a year and a half ago. This particular model is a 50-ton model. It's used in earth moving, but also can bridge into high-volume quarry applications and major muck shifting operations. The operator cabin is the same as on the small trucks, the styling, and through the engine technology, we've also been able to provide that with even better fuel consumption than our previous predecessor models.
So that's it. INTERMAT 2015 is over. 5 productive days where friendships have been formed, contacts made, deals done. We look forward to seeing you at INTERMAT 2018.